Wagering agreements. An agreement between two persons under which money or money's worth is payable by one person to another on the happening or non-happening of a future uncertain event is called a wagering agreement. Such agreements are chance oriented and therefore completely uncertain. Any chance oriented event, happening or non-happening of a future uncertain event is called a wagering agreement. There is also something called contingency agreements. We'll see that when it comes. It's basically event driven. But here, non-uncertain event is happening or non-happening. So that is called a, if you agree based on that, then it's called a wagering event, wagering agreement. The agreements are chance oriented and therefore completely uncertain. X promises to pay 1,000 Y to Y if it rained on a particular day. Who will know it will rain? Maybe we'll propose, but we never know it will come or not. This is a wagering agreement. Essentials of a wagering. What are the essential things? Promise to pay money or money's worth. The wagering agreement must contain a promise to pay money or money's worth. The performance of the promise must depend on the determination of an uncertain event. The performance of the promise must depend on the determination of an uncertain event. An event is said to be uncertain when it is yet to take place or might have occurred. We don't know. These parties are not aware. Mutual chances of gain and loss. Each party must stand to win or lose upon determination of an uncertain event. If either of the parties may win but cannot lose, may lose cannot win, it's not a wagering agreement. It should be equal chances. Then only it is a wagering agreement. The fourth essential element of a wagering agreement. Neither party to have control over the event. So it is occurring on its own. We don't have control on it. Fifth point. No other interest. Neither party should have interest in the happening or non-happening of an event other than the sum of the stake he will win or lose. You cannot have another agreement with somebody else though you have a stake already, right? Examples of wagering agreement. An agreement to settle the difference between contract price and market price of certain goods or shares on a particular day. We never know. By contract we may agree for 500 rupees. Market price may be 700, maybe 800, 1500 or 1 rupee, 200 rupees. We don't know it. It's a wagering agreement. A lottery, a game of chance. Prizes earning a government approved lottery cannot be prosecuted. If it is government approved, you cannot prosecute, but still it's a wagering agreement. An agreement to buy a lottery ticket. Wagering. Examples of wagering agreements. A crossword puzzle in which prices depend upon correspondence of the competitor's solution with a previously prepared solution kept with the editor of a newspaper is a lottery. Hence a wagering transaction, State of Bombay versus RMD Chamar Bagwala. So you see a crossword puzzle and you send the answers to the newspaper editor. This agreement is a wagering agreement. But crossword puzzle per se is not a wagering agreement. If somebody wants you, maybe if it is purely skill, then it's okay. Not Vegas, which are all not Vegas. Prize competitions, which are games of skills, example picture puzzles, athletic competitions, are not Vegas. For example, an agreement to enter into a wrestling event in which the winner was to be rewarded by the entire sale proceeds of tickets was held not to be a wagering contract. According to the Prize Competition Act 1955, note there is a new act called Prize Competition Act. We have not studied about this so far. Prize competition in games of skill are not Vegas, provided the prize money doesn't exceed rupees 1000. An agreement to contribute to a plate or prize of value above 500 to be rewarded to the winner of a horse race.